Hey guys, my name is Sharina.
And I'm Seanice.
And we're the co-founders of
Hey Girl, Hey Game.
Born, raised, and living in Brooklyn, New York.
Hey Girl, Hey is a card game company and lifestyle brand where we focus on creating opportunities for women to be celebrated.
Focusing on building community, engagement, and kind of that stimulation after a post-COVID reality.
We teamed up to get over 50 women together, but me being an introvert, I'm like, how are we gonna get strangers talking? We're gonna split them up into teams and they're not gonna be with their friends. What are we gonna do? So we stayed up and created questions, just 50 questions, and went to a local print shop and printed them on just business cards. And literally by the end of the event, everyone was like, where can we get these cards? What separates Hey Girl Hey from most card games is that most card games are singular focused. So one may focus on the extroverted experience. So it's all truth or dares. It's all raunchy stuff. It's all, let's see how far we can go. Whereas another card game might be introspective. So why are you the way you are? Like asking those kind of questions. And Hey Girl Hey fuses those worlds.
Being co-founders with my sister has been a rewarding experience. We've always been very, very close and kind of lead with intuition, but this has given us a newfound respect for one another.
We keep each other inspired by keeping in close contact.
Becoming an international household brand is super important to us. To be able to tell our story, to be able to build community for people who are like us, feel a sense of safety and a sense of community within one another just through those games alone.
And one of our taglines is, just like you wouldn't forget your favorite handbag when you're going out, you wouldn't want to forget Hey Girl Hey when you're going to brunch or happy hour. We wanted to be in Black-owned stores, we wanted to be in women-owned stores, and so we did like overnighting at local stores that fit that criteria.
Fiverr has been super vital in leading us in the direction business-wise as far as our marketing and how we present our product to our audience.
I'm always looking for updating our products, our marketing. We had our Hey Girl Hey Classic Edition, which was the first design made by Fiverr. We had our Signature Collection, which is our expansion pack designed by Fiverr. We had pretty much all of our games designed by Fiverr.
Having a mentor is super vital in building a Black business, and being a part of the Fiverr Future Collective gave us an opportunity to meet someone who is a Black woman building business and inspired by people who are on that same journey. I'm super excited to see the direction that Black business is going. We're jumping out there and kind of taking that leap. There's someone out there who has the answer, and I think it's important that if you have the resources and have the information to kind of provide that for your communities.